Have you ever bought yogurt starter from the market and felt it was too expensive for something you can actually make yourself at home? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own yogurt starter using just two simple ingredients: chili pepper stalks and powdered milk. Yes, you heard that right. Chili pepper stalks. Right here is a yogurt starter I bought from the market and it cost me 3,000 naira. But the truth is, I only buy yogurt starter when it's very urgent. Most of the time, I make my own starter at home, and today I will show you exactly how I do it. So let's start with the chili peppers. We are not going to use the pepper itself. We only need the stalks, that small green stem attached to the pepper. The reason is because the stalks contain natural beneficial bacteria that helps ferment the milk and turn it into yogurt starter. So carefully remove the stalks and set them aside. Now, let's move to the powdered milk. I'm working with 1 cup of powdered milk. So I'm going to add 1 cup of room temperature water to it first. Then stir very well until everything is properly combined and smooth. After that, I'm going to add 1 cup of very hot boiled water to make it a total of 2 cups of water. Then stir everything very well again to combine properly. Next, we need to sieve the milk using a chiffon cloth to make sure there are no lumps. This step is very important if you want a smooth starter. Once that is done, I transfer the milk into 2 small containers. Now we need to monitor the temperature until it drops to between 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. Use a cooking thermometer to check the temperature by dipping it into one of the containers. This step is very important because if the temperature is above 50 degrees Celsius, most of the beneficial bacteria will die and the starter will not form properly. If the temperature is below 35 degrees Celsius, the bacteria will not be active enough to ferment the milk. Now, the temperature has dropped to 45 degrees Celsius, so we are good to go. If you don't have a thermometer, you can put a drop of the milk on the back of your hand. If you can withstand the heat for about 5 seconds, then the temperature is okay. However, this method is not always accurate, so a thermometer is better. Now, bring back the chili stalks and carefully place them inside the milk. Then cover the container tightly with lid. Next, I'm going to place the container inside a nylon bag and wrap the nylon around them to retain the warmth. Then secure it with rubber band. After that, I will wrap everything again with a kitchen towel to keep it warm for fermentation. Then, I will place it inside my cupboard for 18 to 24 hours. Now, this is exactly 24 hours later, and this is the moment we have been waiting for, the moment of truth. Let's gently remove the towel. Take them out of the nylon and open the containers. Wow, this is amazing. Our yogurt starter has formed nicely and it's ready to use. So tell me, will you go through the process to make your own yogurt starter? Or will you just buy from the market? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, we'll be using this starter to make soya beans yogurt, so you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.